Let me save you time. If your QR code looks like this, black and white, no logo, no branding, then most people don't trust it, even if they scan it. And you've seen this yourself. People hesitate when something looks unprofessional. Plain QR codes feel random, they feel unsafe, and they don't look like they belong to a serious business. In this video, I'm going straight into how to create branded QR codes that make your business look serious, professional, and put together, without overcomplicating anything. And stay till the end, because in the final step, I'll do a quick scan test on camera so you can see it works before you use it anywhere. Let's do it. Go to brandedqrcode.com. You have two options, Create from Scratch or Design Assistant. We'll start with Design Assistant. Upload your logo, resize it, and you'll get 4 to 6 ready-made options. Pick the one you like, and then edit it to your liking. Now begin customizing your design, step by step. Choose your export size, pick your pattern shape, then your corner style, and then your frame style. You can also adjust the colors, your foreground color and your background color. You can also choose whether you want the logo centered or not. Next, start fine-tuning the details. Set your detail level, adjust your QR code size, set your padding, choose your border width, adjust your border round, then set your frame width, your frame round, your frame color, and finally your frame text color and text size. Once the design is complete, choose what you want the QR code to link to. In this video, we'll link it to a URL. Enter the URL, download the QR code, and as you can see, it scans perfectly. Now let's go to creating a plain QR code. Click Remove Image, then Reset Style. Increase the detail level for better scannability. Set your foreground and background colors. Choose your pattern shape, corner style, and frame style. Download the QR code, and as you can see, it scans perfectly.